Hey you guys, it's your girl Pardonmybeautii TV, and I'm back with another little video. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys my hair progress so far. I haven't done this video in a while. Little update. I cut my hair back in 2019 in hair school. There was a lot of heat damage and color damage, so basically I cut it, and this is what I cut it to. It was nice and pretty. My teacher cut it for me, and it honestly has been growing in very well, and I'm excited about that. I think I cut it once again just to get the rest of the color off. I dyed it black. So yeah, that was January. That was my birthday, and it was nice. It was growing back. It was full. And honestly, I could have just dyed it and get a trim, but I decided I wanted to cut it and let it regrow back. Very nice. And yeah guys, this is my progress. It was going through changes. It was getting like tangled, and then I washed it. This is part of my video. If you can see my 1 month aloe growth challenge. And this is me currently, and my hair has grew a lot, so I put a picture in a picture to show you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this growth. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and there will be more growth videos to come. I'm out.